And we've seen the process as Texas continues to reopen despite the cases continuing to rise. Many people want and need to go back to work to support their families, but how are employers keeping their employees safe? Nora Bettis takes a look.
Folks are facing a lot of difficult decisions at work, having to choose between their health and safety versus keeping a job.
Dave Mock with Texas Rio Grande Legal Aid is talking about workers' rights and the coronavirus pandemic.
The CDC has put out guidance that says that employers have a duty to tell employees if they've been potentially exposed to a contagious disease. That includes COVID-19.
Letting people know if the virus has been brought into the workplace is the first step. Of course, a lot of information must, by law, be kept confidential. Still,
they can't hide behind that confidentiality as a means of declining to tell their employees that they've potentially been exposed to a dangerous illness.
Fortunately, there are federal regulations in place to reduce the risk of infection on the job. OSHA has specific guidelines on how to keep workers safe from coronavirus in the workplace. And depending on the type and size of business you work for, you could be entitled to paid leave if you get sick. Brian East, a lawyer who specializes in rights for the disabled, advises workers to explore their resources.
We do have the OSHA organization. You can make OSHA complaints and they investigate.
And remember, there are protections in place, such as the Whistleblower Act, which prohibits employers from retaliating against workers who file complaints or raise concerns about working conditions and safety.
It's important for the employer to understand their risk and their obligations, and for the employee to understand their own obligations to report or stay home.
Nora Bettis, 3 News.